Hello. Yes. Thank you for joining me for this quick training. My name is Mimi. If you're new to me, my name is Mimi Diallo, and I am the trainer and the founder of Few Group, Boxstro Group, and the Dispatcher Group. So I wanted to do this training on about how to book a load, how to look for a load, and how to book for one. So let me share my screen and I'm going to take you to DAT. Why DAT? I have access to 3 load bar, selectors, truck stop, DAT, but DAT happen to be the most user friendly. That's why I like to train people on DAT. All right, let's go to DAT. So first of all, I'm going to take you to the very beginning. So when you sign, okay, dashboard, when you sign in, this is where they take you. Okay, so you go on search loads. So here today, let's do an example. Let's say somebody is looking for load from Memphis, Alabama. Memphis, Tennessee. Okay. So I like, first of all, when you have a carrier, you got to ask your carrier, how much data head are you willing to do? Some are willing to do just 100 miles, some 200. I have a carrier that is willing to do 300 if the money is worth it. The data head also depend on how far the person, the zone they are, the city. So sometimes you don't have other choice than data head. So most of the people, they will tell you 150. So I leave the destination blank. This is the data head. First of all, most of the time it will be on general. Select specific because it give you on the truck type, it give you more truck type to select from. So the DHO is the data head by odometer. So meaning how much mile the person is willing to do empty to go pick up a load. So we'll close this so you can see better. So this is the truck type. Here, I select straight box truck. So you can see it's all side, auto carrier, B-train, cornerstone. And you go. So if you're looking for flatbed load, let's just do flatbed and then flatbed, hot shots, flatbed with azimuth, flatbed or decks, step deck. So, and with tarp, over dimensional, then in new fair. So select as much as it's, so and select those because those was my preview. So you see it put all the one that I selected here. So the person got 50, I think 48. Let's say it can carry 30,000 pounds. So is it a full or partial? I like to put both most of the time. So the starting date is looking for load today. And if let's say the person was open, they were like, okay, either get a load today or they willing, even if you gotta wait for tomorrow because we're already at 4 p.m. Eastern time. So most of the time it's kind of hard to find. So it's better when it's the evening to put the next day. So then I do search. So those are the loads that are in the Memphis area. Okay, so that's the step to search for loads on DAT. So let's go back and do a new search. So you can edit or you can do new search. it will give you with the previous one that you put. So let's change it and do Chicago, Illinois. So and let's say here put 200 miles, and this time we're gonna put no flatbeds. I'll go back and make sure I got all of them out. Okay, so now we're gonna go for van. Van are dry van. So when you're looking for van, you select van. That's generally because the thing is you gotta click on most of the things that your equipment got, because you can now rely on the broker posting on in the right type, because sometimes they can go pull a load that is for semi truck in the box truck type. So it's confusing, or sometimes like when you're looking for box truck load, you can add van because you can take a partial. So then a ride, sometimes broker will ask just for a ride. So I would hazmat, hot shots. No, it's not a hot shot. So van with litigate, van logistic. Okay, van, vented, van or flatbed, van or reefer. So that will give us, sometimes they will put driving load under reefer or van or reefer. So those broker, they're all over the place. So we apologize. So anything that your equipment, so then here is 53. That's the big guy. So most of them can you all 44,000. But again, when you interview your career, you always have to find out what is the maximum weight they can carry. Sometimes some would do the maximum, but some will be like, I don't want to be heavy, so I don't want to pass 30,000 pounds, because it's hard when it's mountain area or it's hard on the equipment, and it's also making them burn a lot of fuel. So again, when you're getting a load for a truck, always aim for a full load, you know. Okay, so again, we are in the evening, so I'll put today date and tomorrow. So, and I click on search. So it will give me all the loads that is in that area. So that's how you search for loads. So the next video, we're gonna go over what the meaning of all of those, how to read the loads, and how to get in touch with broker. So if you enjoyed this video, please share and like it. And if you're watching this from my YouTube channel, subscribe and give us a thumbs up. If you need information on how to get in touch with me and or work with me, my number is 404-322-8827. And in the description or the post, you're gonna see all my information. My website is www.mimidiallo.org.